Solidworks Cam 2019 delivers some great new features that will help you reduce the time it takes to program your parts. Configurations in Solidworks Cam are a great time saver that enable you to define multiple manufacturing setups within a single part or assembly. 2 configurations, each containing their own unique set of manufacturing operations, have been defined in order to machine the front and rear flanges of this camera mount part. Switching configurations to setup 1 reorientates the part and changes the operations tree to display only the operations unique to this setup. To finish programming the camera mount, we're going to make some changes to the contour milling operation for the outer faces. As the straight tool gets to the bottom of the part, there's a risk that the shank will touch some of the faces at the top that were already machined earlier in the operation, spoiling the surfacing finish. Solidworks Cam 2019 adds new taper and neck options for the non-cutting portion of a tool. For this operation, we'll change the type to neck and then specify the size of first the tool neck, followed by the tool holder. As sizes are inputted, the preview of the tool updates in the graphics area, showing the new tool and holder shape in relation to the part, so you can now predict the final result with even greater accuracy. Another great enhancement for 2019 is the addition of the new corner slowdown option. By enabling corner slowdown, you can now vary the feed rate based on distance, resulting in increased tool life and improved surface finish. NC programmers using multiple machine tools can now take even greater advantage of SolidWorks Cam's powerful automation capabilities. The technology database now provides you with the option to define multiple machining strategies and assign them to a specific machine. The remaining features of this camera mount are going to be machined using a 4-axis rotary table. 3 different sets of machining strategies have already been predefined in the database, including one for a 4-axis rotary table. Selecting the 4-axis rotary set displays the list of its unique features and operations. We'll go ahead and make a couple of changes by setting the rectangular corner slot and circular boss to use rough finish edge break operations, then saving to update the overall strategy set. After switching to view the properties of the 4-axis machine tool, the 4-axis rotary strategy can be chosen as its default machining strategy. By using this machine in combination with SolidWorks Cam's automatic feature recognition, an optimized set of operations will be automatically generated. SolidWorks Cam 2019 also adds some great productivity enhancements for creating everyday machining operations. For example, new options to control hole start and end position provide much greater flexibility when you're defining drilling operations. Now you can set an offset to feed in from a specific distance and drill to a specific position regardless of feature size, eliminating the need to create any extra construction geometry. When having to meet strict tolerance requirements, it's often necessary to have to offset the position of a toolpath in relation to the model geometry. Even small incremental adjustments can result in time-consuming workarounds, for example, manually editing the NC program or even changing the model geometry. In SolidWorks Cam 2019, you can now change the position of machined features using the new Move command. Features can be moved in X, Y, and Z, providing a great way to easily machine to mid-tolerance without the extra rework that's often necessary. Those are some of the fantastic new features in SolidWorks Cam 2019 that can help you improve quality and reduce the time required to generate NC programs.